Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the data science life cycle. The data science life cycle is the step-by-step process used by data scientists to extract useful information from data and build model for prediction or decision makings. Now let us understand about data science lifecycle. It mainly consists of five stages. First, data collection. Second, data cleaning, data analysis, model building, and data visualization. We will understand every state in detail. So let's begin. First state, data collection. Data collection is the first step in data science process. In this step, data is gathered from different sources. Common source of data: database, website, sensors and devices, service and performs, APIs. Example: if a company wants to predict customer sales, it collects data such as customer name, age, purchase history, product details. The quality of collect is very important because good data leads to better analysis. Second stage, data cleaning. After collecting data, the next step is data cleaning. Raw data, informed contain first missing values, duplicate data, incorrect value, unnecessary information. Data cleaning tasks: remove duplicate records, handle missing values, correct wrong data, convert data formulas. Example: if the age column contains 25, 30, 45, 30, the missing value must be correct or replaced. Now, the third stage is data analysis. Data analysis means examining the data to discover patterns, relationships, and trends. If this step, data scientists try to answer questions like what patterns exist in data science, what factors affect the results, what insights can be extracted. Techniques used: statistical analysis, data summarization, pattern detections. Example: a company may analyze sales data to find which product sells the most, which month has the highest sales. Fourth stage, data visualization. Data visualization means presenting data in graphical form so that it becomes easy to understand. Instead of looking at large tables of numbers, we use charts and graphs. Common visualization tools which are used: bar charts, lines, pie charts, histogram. Now let's see the example. Sales data can be shown using a bar chart to compare product performance. Visualization helps people quickly interpret complex data. Now the last and the fifth stage, model building. Model building is the step where machine learning algorithms are used to make predictions or decisions based on data. A model learns patterns from historical data and uses them to predict future outcomes. For example, models predict house prices, predict customer charm, recommended product. Common algorithms like linear regressions, decision trees, random forest, neural networks. Example: if we train a model using past sales data, it can predict future sales. So these are the five main stages of the data science life cycle. Now in next video we will learn introduction Python for data science. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more data science content.